Hello everyone, this is Ramna. You are watching me on Tech My Hat channel. Before starting this video, I want to share one thing that if the candidates are interested to share their experience of interview or internship or training or job, so anything of experience, if you want to share through our YouTube channel, you can share with us. So if you are interested, you can ping us on Tech My Hat Instagram page, or you can also mail us. So the mail ID is provided in the description link. And the candidates who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and you will get the videos about the placement assistance and interview experience and a lot more from our YouTube channel.
The job update for this video is Bitwise is hiring for the role of project training. So this is about the Bitwise. So over 20 plus years of consistently bringing high performance solutions to their clients. So this is all about the Bitwise company. And coming to the job description, so Bitwise is hiring for project training. So job title will be project training until graduation completion. Upon submission of mark sheet and performance evaluation, designation will be revised to trainee programmer or trainee tester. So after completion of your graduation, based on the mark sheet and performance of CGPA or something, so they will change the role. And coming to job type, it will be full-time employment, not like internship kind of. So you will get a full-time job, and work location will be Pune. So relocation will be required after pandemic situation normally. So but for now it will be Pune. But after pandemic, I mean the corona situation is going to control, then your location may be changed. So coming to offer, the CTC will be 3 LPA until graduation completion. So upon submission of market sheet and performance evaluation, salary will be revised to 3.84 LPA. So at present, it will be 3 LPA. So after giving your UG mark sheets, undergraduation mark sheets, then you will based on your performance in your academics, the salary will be revised to 3.4 LPA. So what they mentioned is candidates should be flexible to work any technology and any type of project. So they are not disclosed any kind of technologies that the candidate is going to work on after getting job for this Bitwise project training. So they mentioned that the candidate has to be ready to work on any technology on any project. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so professional graduate in either stream like BE or BTech of computer science and information technology branches. So and MCA and MCM only 2021 pass outs are eligible. So candidates who are passing in 2021 for BE, BTech or MCA, MCM of streams like computer science, information technology are eligible for this job. So they must have excellent communication skills and a minimum academic score of 55% in 10th and 12th. So this is the criteria, like 55% you have to maintain more than that, and a minimum score of 55% in graduation. Coming to essential skills, so good communication skills, verbal and non-verbal, and strong logical skills with ability to analyze, interpret, and draw inferences, ability to implement logic using programming language. So this is related to coding skills and understanding of databases. Maybe the backend, the job related to backend team or something else. So you have good understanding related to databases. So added advantage. So if you have final year project like relevance to current industry scenario, design approach, technology use. So if your final project is related to current industry technologies kind of, then it will be add more benefit to get a job. And coming to selection process, it will be like first online assessment, then a TR, and followed by HR interview. So important guidelines will be after online test, shortlist candidates must be available for further online interview process. So this is the thing, and the candidate should be available for immediate joining. So if you got the job after interview, after clearing interview process, so the candidate must be available for immediate joining. So let me show how to register. So it will ask email ID. You have to give her an email ID and you have to verify. So you will get an OTP kind of after verifying your email ID. Then only these fields will be enabled. Until then, this registration form is not enabled. So you have to verify your email now first. So let me do that verification. The OTP will be sent to your mail, and it will be valid for only 5 minutes. You have to take care about that. And the attempts will be four. If you didn't get OTP and if you try to reattempt again, so there will be only four reattempts, and the validity of OTP will be 5 minutes. So take care of it. And if you didn't get any OTP, you can click on resend OTP. You will get another OTP. So let me verify this one. So after verifying, then as I said, these fields will be enabled. So coming to these fields, I can give any. I mean, you have to give your data. Suppose the first name and a contact number, phone number, and current location and college and institute name. So they are not given any predefined. I mean, list. So any college a student can eligible. So these fields are not editable because, as I mentioned, so 2021 and BE BTech and MCA, if it is MCA or another branch, you have to give others. So then these will be computer science, information science, and information technology, and post graduation will be MCA. So we have to convert your CGPA into percentage, as you know how to convert. So 10th, 12th, and graduation. If you have your marks in CGPA, you have to convert them in percentage, and I have to give here. So if you have any internship experience, better to mention because you may have additional benefits while joining, and you have to mention your final year project, so this will be also get into consideration while evaluation process. And after submitting all the data, you have to click the checkbox, so and you have to submit. Then your further communication will be by mail, so you will get online assessment links to mail. So this is all about the bitwise hiring project training. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel now, and please click the bell icon to get notifications of our job updates. So we will keep doing more videos on job updates daily, so you can get job updates that are in BTech, BE, or different branches from different streams. So thanks for watching this video.